Should a pop-up drink stand use inventory management software? Yes, even a small pop-up drink stand benefits greatly from using inventory management software, because it helps track exactly what you have, what you're running low on, and what is costing you money without you even realizing it. Think of it like this. A pop-up drink stand is moving fast, people are ordering left and right, and it is easy to lose track of how many cups, lids, straws, and syrups you actually have left. Inventory management software keeps a running count of everything in real time, so instead of guessing, you know exactly what is on hand. Here is something most people do not think about. A lot of these programs can also track ingredient level details, like how many ounces of syrup go into each drink, which means you can catch small amounts of waste or overpouring before it becomes a big expense. Some systems even connect directly to your point of sale, so every time a drink sells, the ingredients get subtracted automatically. This means you are not spending your evenings counting bottles and boxes by hand. It also helps you spot trends, like realizing your strawberry lemonade sells out every Saturday by early afternoon, so you know to stock more next time. For a business that moves as quickly as a pop-up stand, having that kind of insight can be the difference between running smoothly and running out. One common mistake is only updating inventory at the end of the day instead of in real time, which leads to surprises when you suddenly run out of a popular flavor mid-rush. So try to use software that updates automatically as sales happen. Another mistake is not setting low stock alerts, meaning you do not find out you are almost out of cups until it actually happens, so set reminders that notify you a day or two before you're expected to run low. A lot of people also forget to track seasonal changes, like how lemonade sells more in summer, so review your data every few weeks to adjust your ordering instead of relying on guesswork. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.